Is somebody in our kitchen cooking?
How long you think you gonna last in there? There's a coconut oil thing going on down there. How long you think? Before I buck your head.
That's you?
And you take it to take your soul.
Yeah! Damn! Oh! My heart. Oh, my heart. Ooh, y'all, I got to take a break. Shit! That motherfucker sound like a disabled beatboxer. Just mouth full of slop. That thing sound like a motherfucker hand washing some wet clothes in the sink. Sound like somebody stirring their macaroni with a plunger. Then she got that accent to go with it. Ooh-wee! Imagine you back there. And she turn around, talk to me dirty. You like that way pum-pum? You feel that way pum-pum? Talking about some how long I think I'm gonna last. A lifetime, bitch, cause you stuck with me forever after you give me some of that coochie. That coochie sound like it got dick glue in it. That bitch sound like she got some of that police escort coochie. Cause that's the only way you gonna leave that bitch house is if the police escort you out. That thing smacking like a nigga with no manners. Good Lord. Sit that country ass down on me.